Ever think AI could be your new bandmate? I tested Producer AI, the rebranded version of Refusion, and here's whether it actually rocks or just hits a wrong note. According to Startup Hub AI, Producer AI is a personal AI music agent that turns imagination into music, with features like Fuzz 2.0 for expressive vocals, instrument diversity, and BPM or key control. But when I dug into Reddit's Refusion, some users weren't impressed. One said, the LLM aspect was good, but the brutal truth is the music generation itself utterly failed. Thin, synthetic, and lyrics messed up. On Trustpilot, other users complain that you often need multiple attempts to get something usable, and sometimes the results don't match the style or genre you expect. Meanwhile, AI Musicpreneur tested Producer AI and noted it shows promise but lags behind established tools like Suno and Udio in audio quality. So here's the real deal. Producer AI is fun if you want quick inspiration or a creative jam session. But if you're chasing polished, commercial ready tracks, you'll still find yourself turning to tools like Suno, Udio, or Udio, or let's be real, actual human musicians. In short, cool toy, not yet a replacement band, unless you like your drummer occasionally playing the wrong song.